just let the head kind of, again, melt into that hand. The joint kind of locks out right there. And do a little push past that. How we doing?
That's all good.
Cool, so we're gonna redo the other side. See if we can get, that lower spot right here. That was good. Yeah, you just have a lot of mobility, so I gotta really throw some heat on there. Do a little spine hug right here, good. And then bring your chin to your chest, let all the air out.
Now that one felt good.
Yeah. So same thing, let the air out right there. Oh my gosh. That was good.